Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to this weekend's vlog. Today is Thursday, and today I'm literally just tackling a bunch of kind of householdy chores slash like a lot of cleaning jobs. I'm the type of person where I can't work in a messy, cluttered environment, but I'm also a very messy, cluttered person, which basically just means that I don't do any work and I'm always like, it's too messy, and it stresses me out. But then it never gets cleaned. I don't know. So yeah, today I'm taking some time to really try and clean some stuff up, to organize some stuff. So first up is some of my old cosplays. I'm gonna go through them and kind of reorganize them and maybe get rid of some of my old ones. So I'm having kind of a cleaning day today. Just something I've been meaning to do for a while is go through all my old cosplays and get rid of the ones that I don't wear anymore. Most of these are my first ones. They're the first things I ever made. So it's kind of bittersweet, but I just need the room. So as you can see, my Toph cosplays are here. My very first cosplay that I think I made, which was Iki from Legend of Korra, and it's like the little flight suit. Not Starlight. Starlight is just on the floor. But yeah, a bunch of these other ones. Fire Nation Azula, or not Fire Nation Azula, but Beach Fire Nation Azula. They're all just things that need to be remade. But yeah, it is rather sad to see them all go. So hi, we're on my floor. I'm just going to show you, this is how I organize my cosplays. It's in these bins underneath my bed, and I hate this method so much. So basically what I do is they're just in these or most of them are in these Urban Outfitters bags, and then I'll just have the whole entire cosplay just completely in there. So this is an Uraraka school uniform, and it's just completely in there, and it sucks. It's hard to find anything. It's really inconvenient, and I hate it, but I don't have the room for anything else really. So yeah, that's kind of it. So I just kind of replaced a bunch of my old cosplays that I got rid of with a bunch of my newer ones that have kind of been sitting out on my floor, just in the way. So at least they are put away somewhere, but I can't wait for the day where I can have another room as kind of a cosplay room, office type situation, and then I'll be able to have a proper storage system for everything. This is what my floor and room is looking like so far. So I just went through my closet and basically tried to get rid of a bunch of stuff. I'm really bad about getting rid of clothing, but I tried. So this is a bunch of stuff that is going to Buffalo Exchange tomorrow. So I'm going to bring it to Buffalo Exchange. I've got an appointment, and they're going to look through it, see if they want to buy anything. And then this is all going to Goodwill. So I actually think I'm going to try and bring that today to see if I can donate it and then just get rid of it all. One thing is that I got rid of all of my blue jeans, except for one pair, I think. So I'm gonna have to figure that out and figure out that situation. Luckily it's summer, so it's not urgent. But yeah, mine, the ones that I like, are too worn out, and they're just looking baggy and stretched out. And then the other ones that I had just weren't comfortable. They rubbed weird, they looked weird, I just didn't like them. So I decided to donate all of them and start fresh with some new jeans. That way I don't have piles of jeans that I don't like just taking up room in my closet. And this is the pile of hangers left over. My bed looks so cute. So yeah, now I think I'm gonna go run some errands. It's already 4. I've been kind of cleaning and working on that for a couple hours. And so yeah, I think I'm gonna try and go to Goodwill and drop those off. And then I wanna go, I think, to Target and see if they have any of those metal wire shelving units, because I also have some other spots that need decluttering in my apartment, and I think that will help. And then I also just need some extra storage bins and stuff, because I'm always running out and I always just need more storage because stuff is just constantly overflowing, and I prefer to try and keep it in some kind of organized chaos if I can. So we're gonna see how much I can even afford to do, because a lot of organizational stuff is quite expensive, and I just bought a car. I also don't know if I can fit the wire shelving units that I want into my car, so we're gonna try and put the seats down in the back and see how that works for the first time, because I haven't figured that out yet. And if I have time, I'm gonna stop by the post office and just visit my P.O. box and see, because I always forget to go check it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. Alright, lighting is not great here, But your girl just made 2 trips to Target, like through Target. Like I went in, I paid, and then I went back. I had to have them help me bring my stuff to the car. So they brought my stuff to the car, and then I went back in to buy more stuff. So that's how my day's going. If you want to see, I don't know if you can see, the back of my car is completely full right now with storage things. And then of course I stopped at Starbucks, so I've got that now. And now I get to go home and organize and build it. I want to get this all finished tonight if I can. It's already 6 p.m. But if I can get it all finished tonight, I want to, so then tomorrow I can focus on other projects. But yeah, here we go. Also, how proud are you guys of me for putting stuff like to donate to Goodwill and then doing it the same day? Like, it didn't just ride around in my trunk for like 6 months. Like the last time I tried to donate stuff to Goodwill, I actually donated same day. I am so proud of myself. So I just got back from Target, and here's my little drawers that I bought. I just put here where my other little drawers used to be. That got moved over there. So now I have even more. I don't know what I'm gonna fill them with yet, but I always need drawers for things, so it seemed like a good thing because these things are always sold out, so I like to buy them when they're there. So let me just show you, this is what we're dealing with tonight. This is basically all of my filming equipment, plus a bunch of like props and stuff like that. And then also, like, you can see my Christmas light or ornaments. And then also everything that was in my old car when I emptied it out, plus a bunch of packages that you guys have sent me and that I've opened up and started using, or just packages I sent myself that I've opened up and started using, and then just wound up in this pile. So yeah, this is what we're doing tonight. I bought a couple more storage bins and then also those metal wire shelves. So we're gonna try and get this cleared up. And then if we have time, this is why I haven't done any mirror selfies, by the way, in case you're wondering why I haven't been using this mirror for selfies. This is why. But if we have time, I'm gonna come tackle my craft area as well, which is always a mess, and replace one of these shelves, I don't know which, probably this one down here, with a metal wire rack as well, just so that we have even more room for activities. So yeah, that's the goal for tonight. I've got a friend coming over in a little bit to help me with the metal wire racks because I can't lift them myself. I had to have the people at Target help me and like bring them out to my car and stuff. So I'm having someone come over and help me get them out of my car and help me build them and help me clear up that mess because I think I need a buddy to help me with this one. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that or not. I might just show you the after, so I just showed you the before. That way we can just like work and not have to worry about like where the camera is and everything, and just like try and get through it, try and get it done tonight, because I want it done by tomorrow so that I don't have to think about it anymore and I can move on to other projects that I want to get done this weekend. Hey guys! So I just got back from Buffalo Exchange. If you guys don't know what Buffalo Exchange is, it's kind of like a place that sells like used clothing, and then you can go and sell your clothes to them, and sometimes they'll like buy your clothes and then, you know, use them for their store. So I like to sell my clothes there sometimes and then get some store credit and then use it to buy new clothes. But I didn't shop today because I'm trying to clear out my closet, trying to make space and not buy things. So I just went and I got like $90 of store credit, which is pretty good. So I'm excited once I need stuff to go shopping there and use that store credit. But yeah, it's already, my appointment was at 1, it's already 2 now, so I just got back. And I'm just kind of trying to decide like what project I want to start right now, because I have so much that I want to get done today, like just like every day, where I just have like a million projects that I want to get done and a million projects that are kind of like left open or like half done. So I'm trying to decide. Part of me kind of wants to go to Michael's, like the craft store, and get some stuff, but then part of me is like, well, I'm already home, I might as well do the stuff that I can do at home already. I still have to finish cleaning up from yesterday. I'll show you how far we got with the reorganization of my living room and the new storage and everything, because it's looking a lot better, but it's not finished. And then like, I don't know, there's, yeah, as I said, like so many like little projects that need to get done. I need to do a bunch of pre-filming because I'm going on a trip next month, and so I'm gonna miss a couple weeks, so I'm not gonna be able to have vlogs of them up, of those weeks. So I'm gonna do some like pre-filming and then schedule those to go up while I'm on my trip, so I don't have to worry about it. So I have to start that. As I said, I kind of want to go to Michael's, and I actually, while I'm there, want to get some picture frames, because I've had this print here on my desk, this one, if you watch all my past YouTube videos, this print has been on my desk since Anime Expo, and Anime Expo didn't happen last year, so that's the year like before. Like, that's, what year is that even? That's 2019 that's been sitting on my desk, and I keep saying I'm gonna go frame it, and I haven't. I want to hang it on my wall. I also tried to hang up all these prints on my wall yesterday, and then they all fell down, because apparently you have to clean your wall before you hang up prints. So now I have to go buy more of the like Scotch sticky stuff to hang them up. So yeah, I'm kind of tempted to go do that. So as I said, lots of options of what to do. Just gotta figure out priorities, what needs to be done first. Today is Friday, which means I have basically today, and then tomorrow I'm shooting with Rui, but I should have like a little bit of time during the day, we'll see. And then unfortunately I'm scheduled to work on Sunday. I'm not usually scheduled on Sundays, so that kind of sucks, but hopefully it's gonna be an easy day. But yeah, let me show you what we did in my living room. So as you can see, it is looking a lot better. We dealt with the pile of stuff here pretty well. You can kind of see my little outfit of the day. And then we've got this up here, kind of everything. So I'm just figuring out how I want that organized. I have a lot of storage bins that are still empty, but I'm sure they'll get filled pretty quickly. And now when you walk into my apartment, at least it doesn't look like a giant mess. And then over here with my craft area, same thing, it's pretty more organized. There's more room to put things. If you remember, it was like a bookshelf and like another shelf coming this way, like a V. So now it's just one shelf. And then I did keep the bookshelf, it's over here. I'm kind of hoping to get rid of it and move everything over and like get rid of some stuff, but for now it's just staying here. So we'll figure that situation out because it looks kind of random, just like here in my very messy kitchen. Hey guys, what is up? Today's Tuesday. I luckily don't have work today, but I do have it tomorrow. But yeah, I haven't really been vlogging much these past couple of days. I've just been working on little projects, trying to get organized. Kind of what I was showing you. Oh my god, the tag is still on this. How is the tag still? Okay. Anyway, yeah, I've been like trying to hang up my posters and they keep falling off my wall, so I keep trying different things to hang them up and they keep falling down. They're driving me crazy. And other than that, yeah, it's just a bunch of like little like deep organizational things, like organizing all my drawers, stuff like that, trying to figure that stuff out, and just like random little like chores around the house, stuff like that. So like nothing really too exciting. So I was actually editing this video and realized I had a bunch of like loose ends in it that I'd rather just, you know, tie up in this video rather than the next one, especially since this video is literally just like me showing you my organization. Like, it's not that exciting. So first, I did get my posters or prints finally hung up, so let me show you those. So this is kind of what I was talking about. They're all from this one artist who I'll link on Instagram, and this is from their like Etsy, and I've been wanting to hang these up for so long and they keep falling down. I think they're gonna fall down again. Like, look, this one's already like falling. But basically I found that just like plain tape is doing it the best. Poster putty is really the only thing that sticks to my walls, but unfortunately if you see like in the corner here and here, it like ruins the posters, so I didn't want to put it on the prints. But that's like really the only thing that sticks. Everything else kind of falls off, which is what's happening here. There's tape, like so much tape behind them, like underneath, and then also in front, and they're still gonna fall off, which is super irritating. Also, sorry for the like reflection. It's from my ring light. Oh, and here's my setup. Woo! Then let me journey to the rest of my apartment and show you kind of what I've got going here. So as you can see, we are basically all cleaned up here. I've got this pretty well organized. Got my lights up there so they're not like in the middle of my floor like they have been. Here's me, hi! My outfit of the day. And then over here we have all of my craft stuff. And so I kind of reorganized it from the last time I showed you. It's pretty similar though, I just moved around a couple of things. And my craft area, which is a gigantic mess. I was working on a project today, but that is gonna be in my next week's vlog, so you'll have to check that out. And then the last loose end is that I finally got this print framed, which I've been, as I said, wanting to do since like 2019 and haven't. If you can see like my reflection in it. Hi! You can see my bookshelf. This print is so awesome. You can literally, there's so many like details. The longer you look at it, like the more things that you notice. Like every time I look at it, I see new stuff. Now I have to figure out where I'm gonna hang it. So yeah, that was basically it. I just wanted to kind of tie up those loose ends. I know this vlog was literally like not that exciting, but some weekends are literally just kind of like that, where like that's what I'm doing, is just like reorganizing stuff or, you know, getting chores done basically. That was one of those weekends, but hopefully you enjoyed kind of seeing the before and after. And now that it's been a few days, I've really been enjoying having my living room back and being useful and clean and not a giant disaster pile, and also having a lot more room in my closet, which has been super nice. And I know that's going to be gone instantly because I am a shopping addict. So next up on my things to tackle are just this desk back here, which has just gotten so cluttered. I originally like kind of designed it, like started working on it to be like a really cool background for when I film and stream and everything, and it's just been getting cluttered with so many things. It's like a mess on here, and then also it's just like became like a regular bookshelf just for like books and stuff. So I want to find like cuter, more aesthetic stuff to put here. So that is gonna be another project, but I think I'm gonna hold off on that. I have so much to do this week and this weekend that might have to kind of be put off, but hopefully soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed just kind of my chill cleaning weekend. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you want to see more of me, you can follow me on my other social media. I literally have everything: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, like everything, so you can follow me there. I also have Patreon and OnlyFans. Links to everything are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Ta-da! Gonna take all the mirror selfies now. JK, it's gonna be a mess again in like a week. I don't even know why I bother.